This is HUAWEI Nova 10 Pro, and today we would like to show how you can manage and use the keyboard clipboard on this device. So first of all, let's just go ahead and launch the keyboard. Then at the top left part, at the top left corner of your Celiac keyboard, you'll be able to see this little icon which you want to tap on in order for the menu containing additional options to be launched. In here, go for the dedicated clipboard icon. And as you can see, well, that's how the keyboard looks particularly. From here, you can, if you would like to remove any of the elements you have at your clipboard, you can just tap on the element that you would like to get rid of, and then click on this delete icon, trash bin icon. Next, obviously, if you would like for something to be added to the Celiac keyboard clipboard, you gotta simply copy it. So let's say I'll copy this little nonsense. And once I'll get back to the clipboard, I'll be able to see that it has been successfully added to it as its most recent element over here. So I guess that will be it, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and bye-bye.